What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the problem when your iPhone notifications are not working after a recent iOS update. It's common to encounter some hiccups with notifications after a major software update, but don't worry, we'll get this sorted out quickly. First off, ensure that two of the most common settings that affect notifications, low power mode and do not disturb, are turned off. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center and check these settings. Low power mode can restrict background app refresh, which might prevent notifications from coming through. Similarly, do not disturb silences incoming alerts, so make sure it's disabled. The next step involves diving into your settings to ensure notifications are enabled for the specific apps you're having issues with. Open the Settings app, tap on Notifications, and then scroll down to find the app in question. Tap on it and ensure the Allow Notifications toggle is switched on. While you're here, take a moment to customize how you want to receive notifications from this app, including sounds, badges, and banner styles. And if the app in question supports settings for notifications via its native app settings, then make sure to enable all the notifications from there as well. If notifications are still not working, it's time to check for any enabled restrictions that might be affecting them. Navigate back to Settings. Scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Then, tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is enabled, it could be limiting app functionality, including notifications. Make sure to disable Content and Privacy Restrictions to eliminate this as a potential cause. Lastly, if all else fails, a reset of all settings might be necessary. This is a more drastic step, as it will erase all customized settings and return them to factory defaults, but it can also be the most effective. Go to Settings, scroll down, tap on General, then scroll down to Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and then choose Reset All Settings. Remember, this will not delete your apps or personal data, but will require you to set up your preferred settings all over again. Following these steps should resolve the issue of notifications not working on your iPhone after an iOS update. It's always a bit of a hassle to troubleshoot these issues, but getting your notifications back on track is crucial for staying connected. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.